Hey friends, welcome back to Learning English with NDM, the channel where English becomes your best friend and not a scary monster from your school days. If you really want to learn English, you must watch this video till the very end. And yes, don't forget to subscribe. Why? Because by the end of this video, you'll feel confident enough to say, "Yes, I can do it." Soft chuckle. So, are you ready? Or should I wait for you to grab your tea? Or maybe coffee? Okay, I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Number 1, saying I am agree. I know. Some of you might have said it just yesterday. In English, we simply say I agree. The verb agree already works without am. Correct? I agree with you. Wrong. I am agree with you. Quick question. Be honest in the comments. Have you ever said, I am agree? Don't worry, this is a safe space. Number 2, saying discuss about. You don't need about. Just say discuss. Correct? Let's discuss the project. Wrong. Let's discuss about the project. Your turn. Write a correct sentence using the word discuss in the comments, and I'll check who's the grammar champion today. Number 3, saying cousin sister or cousin brother. In English, cousin means cousin. No gender tag needed. Correct. She is my cousin. Wrong. She is my cousin sister. Fun question. Do you say cousin sister in your everyday life? If yes, I just caught you. Laugh. Number 4, saying I didn't knew. After didn't, we use the base form of the verb. So it's correct. I didn't know. Wrong. I didn't knew. Mini quiz for you. Which is correct? A. I didn't went. B. I didn't go. Write your answer in the comments. Number 5, saying I am having a car. We don't use continuous tense for possession. Just say, correct, I have a car. Wrong, I am having a car. Question for you. What do you have right now? A phone, a cat, or maybe a chocolate bar? Tell me in the comments. Number 6, mixing up lose and loose. Lose means to misplace something or not win. Loose means not tight. Example, don't lose your keys versus this shirt is loose. Your turn. Can you make a sentence with lose and loose? Write both in one comment if you can. Number 7, saying more better. Better is already the comparative form of good, so no need to add more. Correct? This phone is better than that one. Wrong. This phone is more better. Now tell me, which is better, tea or coffee? And remember, there's no such thing as more better. Number 8, saying return back. Return already means go back. Correct? Please return the book. Wrong. Please return back the book. Quick test. Can you think of another word that doesn't need back after it? Write it down. Number 9, saying according to me. In English, we usually say, in my opinion. Correct. In my opinion, learning English is fun. Wrong. According to me, learning English is fun. Question. In your opinion, what's the best way to learn English? Reading, watching, or speaking? Number 10, saying, I am liking this. For general feelings, use the simple present. Correct? I like this. Wrong. I am liking this. Tell me, what's one thing you like about this channel? Okay, you can say everything. I won't mind. So, my friends, these are 10 mistakes to avoid if you want to speak English confidently. And trust me, the more you watch, the more these mistakes will disappear from your speech. If you really want to learn English, watch my videos till the end, practice daily, and subscribe to Learning English with NDM, because together we can make English learning simple, fun, and possible for you. Yes, you can do it. Homework. Write one sentence in the comments without any of today's mistakes. I'll personally check and reply. See you in the next video. And remember, no more I am agree, okay, or else. I'll have to send you extra homework. Laugh,